Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. It's weekend for us, it's Saturday morning, and we are in Benidorm's city center, right by the town hall at the King's Square. And today here we have a very special outlet fair that we've been talking with you guys about here on the latest news update. A great fair for about 30 different businesses that are bringing some huge discounts. Let's go and see if it's worth visiting these type of fairs in Benidorm town. Let's go. We start today's video right next to Bristol Hotel. As you can see, quite a lot of people are heading towards the fair. Probably we'll even see some of our subscribers here on the fair because we've announced it yesterday in the latest news update, and we do know a lot of you are here right now in Benidorm town. This is the main entrance. This square by the town hall, which is what you see on the top, is where a lot of different events, all the most important events are happening. Look at this, they're just carrying 4 air fryers. 4 in between the two of them. Must be good deals if you're buying 4 air fryers, because I know they are quite expensive, don't they? And we will try our best to show you everything that we have. There's a lot of shoe shop places. This one here, for example, has for 20 euros. Look at that, 20, 30 euros. These are shoes for children, teenagers. And then slightly further on, we do have shoes for adults, men and women. Look at this. Prices are actually quite nice, 20 euros, 30. There's some clothing things out here, some clothes, some pants probably. And some even, not only summer shoes are here, which there are as well, even more discounted than they were. But also some other things. On this square, usually we have the Christmas market with the big artificial ice skating rink. And then we have also different fairs, parades, etc. Pavlovsky, this is an incredible shoe brand for children and, young children before teenagers. Incredible quality shoes. So if you have grandchildren or children, smaller ones, take something from here. Usually their prices are from 50 euros and higher, and now we have for 20, 25, 30, which is actually great. Some shoes for women as well. Urban Moda, these are the names of the shops that you can usually find in Benidorm. So here they have some clothing, 12.99 or 2 for 20 euros. Some scarves, which right now, especially in the evening, starts being necessary, let's say like this, to have one. Oh, these are the air fryers. These are the air fryers that they need to sell. Okay, outlet 50% off. Okay, here we have some pans. These are from Tefal. Okay, some pans, some knives out here, some boards for the heat. This is not bad actually. These are the fryers that they've been taking on, 5-liter fryers. Here in Spain, only now, recently, there's been a fashion to buy these type of air fryers. Let us know if in your country you've been using them for a long time or not. And then on the other side, we have some more technology going on. There's quite a lot of people here, actually. I do feel that this is one of the higher, let's say, like this requested places. Look at this, 79.90, very nice vacuum cleaners, 79 euros. That's a good price. Then we have, look at this, mobilities, like these type of, not mobility ones, but like these scooters. Outlet 50% off, 299 euros, and we're costing 600. That's actually quite a good deal, I must say. Televisions, half of the price too. And these are air fryers, 64.50. That's actually quite cheap. Was costing 129 euros. Some bread grills. What else can we see? Mostly air fryers. Right there in front that we can see some coffee making machines, see some pans, some irons right here, electric robots that clean and take all the dust, pick up the dust from the floor, also discounted. And the pans, these actually are nice. Their original price was 99 euros and now they cost 49.50. That's actually not a bad price at all. Maybe we'll go somewhere here and check something out. Even a microwave oven out here for good. Actually, Hisense are very, very good brand microwaves out here. In general, it's like a good company. Even chair for gamers, 129 euros. Original price was slightly higher. And you could have seen that my hubby has bought the pants already. So we got our first purchase of the day. We did buy these pants because we need them and the price is really, really good. By the way, very important thing to notice. We've asked what's up with the discounts. Right here we've asked the lady because we got the confidence to ask it. And she did mention that these are actually discounted things. So the price did not go up at some point. Look at this, 15 euros Adidas pants. This is actually not that bad at all. Not bad. And these are actually discounted ones. The original price was as it was. They did not put it higher because it's really closely monitored by the town hall. So it's not possible to do so. You can only put the original price and then discount it from there. So these are legit discounts. And we've also got to know, somehow we always miss it. It seems to be that it's been happening for a long time, at least quite a few years. Every single year, the same dates, the last weekend of October. This is actually happening here. So it's great for us to finally discover it, because if we didn't know about it, a lot of people might seem not to know about it too, especially tourists. So now you know. And if you want something quality things, pre-Christmas gifts, gifts for yourself, if you want to purchase something nice quality, this is where you could potentially go. This is another shoe shop, everything 50% up until 70%. These are leather shoes, so everything 30, 40 or 50 euros. These are for autumn. There are quite some nice selections here, I must say. And obviously you have summer summer items are discounted for 30%. Then we have some associations where you could buy some things to collaborate with them on the research and on gathering the money for some specific project. Bodalos, this is another shop. This is Spanish typical clothing, polos like t-shirts. And then you have for children it's not fancy, okay, but it is here. Our daughter went to try it out too. This is a bouncing castle. There are two of them. There's this one, which is like a circuit. And then there's another one on the left where you can go. But it's like for smaller children, slightly more smaller ones. And this is free of charge. While people are exploring, children can go there and have some fun. T-shirts here and different types of more formal clothings. 15 euros for one. 2 for 25 euros. And then we have from 5 euros shop. Ooh, that's interesting. That's also a typical shop in Benidorm. Some shoes, comfy wear, 3 euros. Not bad for the summer. Quite comfortable, I must say. 3 euros, that's a good price. And then we have some more autumn shoes, mid-season ones. Clothing, for example, something right now for autumn, for winter season is this right here. There's a lot of vests like that. Let's see if we can find the price on these. Okay, 24.99. It doesn't say the price that it has before, so I wouldn't dare to say that before it costed 60 euros. This one here now costs 15. That's a good price. It's discounted, not 50% off, but it has been discounted. And these type of vests, jackets, etc. are nice as well. These ones you can actually find them in the Chinese shops too. Here we have a bar, the only bar here. Chicken wings 6 euros, nuggets 6, albondigas, which are meatballs, 5 euros. Montadito are small like sandwiches, bread and something on top of it, 2 euros, 2 euros 50. That's not bad. Hamburger with fries, 6 euros. That's nice. Paella, 4 euros, a portion of paella. That's not bad at all. And it's quite busy. These are more They're called popular prices, which means that it's slightly lower than a usual price would be in any other kind of bar. There's a lot of people out here. There's actually a lot of people. Outlet everything 50%. Also some short sleeved t-shirts and something more formal as well. Before 36 euros, now 18. I wouldn't dare to say so because I do see these on the market and I don't remember them being 36 euros. Maybe some places you need to check it twice. Some bed clothes, they call it ropa de cama, bed clothing. Here as well, nice prices, not bad. We have some bags and accessories, polarized eyewear, very, very important to protect our eyes from the sunshine. Some bags, we've seen also different other accessories here, scarves too, some wallets, etc., which is actually not bad at all. 12.99 polarized glasses, 100% protection. Might be a good option actually. Some nice designs. It's from the shop, so it's not like from anywhere, you don't know where it comes from. And in front we have a huge shoe section. Here they even say there might be some shoes from Martinelli, Guess, Geos, and some more. Maybe that's true, but you would need to check it out really, really well because there's a lot of people checking it constantly. Look at that. That's insane. 49 euros for these type of shoes. Incredible. JR Garcia, that's actually a very, very well-known shoe brand. They do have branded shoes. Great quality, leather, nice materials. If it's not leather, too. Hugo, see, Hugo Boss as well. Some slippers. Some things are not branded. Some things are branded ones, but you just need to check it out by yourself and figure it out. Probably here there's not going to be a lot of Hugo Boss left, maybe just a couple of pairs, but they put it since they had it initially. Some sports clothes here for children, teenagers, 3 euros for t-shirts and 5 euros for sports pants, like leggings. Stretchables of these that are really, really comfy. 5 euros and 3 euros. That's actually not a bad price for children. Look at this. Some t-shirts, different colors, different sizes. You need to check already which sizes these are because there's not going to be many options. What you see is what there is. Everything is visible. So if it's not your size, then there is no, sadly. These are like last models, last sizes in the shops as well that they do sell here on this outlet market. I wish we would have these more times a year. By the way, if you want to have branded outlet things, there is one outlet in Benidorm right at La Marina shopping mall. Very nice outlet, has highly branded names. Anthony Morato, they have Guess, they have Armani, they have Emilio Tucci, they have a lot of others, and Tommy Hilfiger, and they have a lot of nicely priced items there. So check it out if you want something great quality but not too expensive. Shoes, accessories, bags, care, clothing, anything that you need, you can find it there. Some more typical shops that we can see in Benidorm. These ones are not too discounted. These ones are, look at this, 9 euros, 19, 39, 49, 9 euros a blouse. For example, this blouse right here, 9 euros it costs. And it has labels of the original price, like original price tags, so you get to see what the discount is like. Let's see slightly further on. Probably here you will find some more expensive clothings, simply because this is Avenida Uno is a more expensive clothing brand. Although these are not like super famous brands out here, but the prices are quite high. Look at this. This long type of vest, like a jacket, costs, oh my goodness, 89 euros, but it costed 100, more than 150. This dress, some more things. Look at this, 179. original cost, not right now ones. Right now it's less than 100 euros. But still, this is quite highly priced. Probably it's the most expensive place out of all the square right now. Overall, this outlet market, outlet fair, depends how you want it, will be here up until Sunday in the evening. So if you want to come by to check out some things, maybe you like something and you would like to purchase something, you can do so here up until 8 p.m. on Sunday evening. Some place for children to play. It's nice to just discover it, have a lovely walk. You never know what you might find. This is what the outlet fair is looking like right now. To be honest with you, there are a lot of nice offers, especially prices for electronics. We did buy a couple of frying pans for our house, very good model ones, 49.90 instead of 80 or 70 euros worth one. So it's great. And there's a lot of people out here. We've even seen some people, some friends from school. We've seen a bunch of people out here. Look at this, they're even entertainment. Look at that. Are these frogs? These are probably frogs. So yeah, this is what we did. This is what it looks like. And actually, I've been really surprised because we've seen that for the first time ever here. We've been living here for 11 years and it's the first time we've seen this market here. But it seems to be it's been going on for 10 years, more or less. Every single time on the last weekend of October, this outlet market is here. So just so you know, if you'll be coming on these dates, last weekend of October, it's always here, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And you can actually find some good deals out here. We've asked if the prices have been manipulated or if prices have been slightly higher up. And they say that no, because the municipal hall is really strict with it. So they do not let you actually to change the prices for this fair. So it's 50% off or more from the original price. So you know that you're not being scammed, which is absolutely incredible. I've seen people bring out 4 or 5 air fryers at once because they're half price. Probably these are some pre-Christmas gifts already for someone. So it's a nice place to be. Children get to have free of charge bouncing beds. There's a bar with some nice prices that you've seen as well. Great place to be. Thank you for accompanying us on today's video. We wish you a lovely day and greetings from the sunny Benidorm town on the weekend. Bye dears, we'll see you tomorrow with a new video from Benidorm at night.